Hey everyone, Wharton here at Mike's Off-Road. Today we're looking at one of the best lift kits you can get for your truck. For its very top of the line, we've got ourselves a 2012 F250 Super Duty with the diesel engine in it. And we've installed the 4.5-inch Carli Pintop lift kit. Now, these kits are the top of the line, all made in America, all the parts manufactured, super high quality materials, very well put together, very well fabricated. They are a little bit pricier than maybe you're gonna get with like Rough Country or Skyjacker, but like I said, the quality is really there, really great. So let's take a look at some of the parts here in the front end to make up this kit. We've got variable rate springs up front that are an upgrade from stock springs. Depending on how compressed your suspension is, it's gonna change the stiffness of the spring. So it's really nice for rough roads, gravel roads you got around here, traveling around Montana, hunting, camping, whatever you decide to do. To help with that, keep your suspension good and riding smooth, we've got King Shocks with a remote reservoir. Really nice shock upgrade from stock. And then one of the reasons that this kit is is at the top of the line in terms of price and quality is they come with completely new fabricated radius arms. So these are all completely high-grade steel, welded and made in America. A big upgrade from your stock radius arm. Also allows you to adjust your alignment angles, which you can't do with the shock radius arm. So it really will help with your ride quality, with your drivability, and with the longevity of the kit. Okay, here in the back, we've replaced the stock leaf springs with lifted leaf springs, so they're more of a bend in them, so you don't have to put a block underneath your stock leaf spring, which is really helpful to keep the axle from turning and trying to turn under high torque applications if you're towing a heavy load. Or if you have, if you upgraded your engine, you're putting out more than stock power, this leaf spring is really gonna help keep your axle solid. We've also got remote Reservoir King Shocks in the rear, as well as Carli extended airbags because of the lift that helps to keep your airbags from being pulled too much if they're not built for this sort of height and extension that this lift provides. So come on down to Mike's Off-Road. We can put the lift kits on for you. We can put wheels and tires, airbags, bumpers, front and rear, any sort of light accessories you want. If you want to upgrade your truck, have it ride good, look good, come on down to Mike's Off-Road, we can get it done for you.